So essentially in this project, I've been able to create a virus which is able to target and kill cancer cells. So I actually took the common cold virus and genetically modified it so that it can target cancer cells and then kill them. It's sort of been a year in the making now. I've been working almost every single day after school on this project in the lab for maybe 3 to 6 hours. And I've been working in Dr. Angela Cully's lab at the OHRI, and she's been kind enough to let me use her lab for the past 2 years. So the results are pretty good so far. Based on in vitro testing, so testing cancer cell lines, it seems to be killing around 98% of all cancer cells and almost 0% of regular cells. So it seems to be pretty promising right now.
One of the things that I'm looking into is for bone transplants. How can you actually aid in making computer-assisted surgeries more a lot simpler process for the doctors doing them? So I've actually been looking into taking bones like these in a surgery and actually mapping the surface in 3D. So instead of 3D printing and taking a digital file and converting it into a physical one, I'm taking physical objects, real bones, and scanning them and making digital files out of them so that I can use them for computer-assisted surgeries down the road.
Okay, so for my project, I had 4 different containers of bacteria, and each one was listening to different types of music. There's classical music, rock music, pop music, and silence. And then my goal was to figure out which type of music helps accelerate the most the growth of bacteria. And I found that it was actually classical music by about 248.48%. And the reason for that was that I found that the vibrations, when they hit the bacteria, they became more spread out, so then there was more surface area to absorb the nutrients from the agar. And then for the rock music and the pop music, there were vibrations, except for I feel that they're too strong. So then when they hit the bacteria, they became more agitated and moved quickly. So then it was harder for the diffusion process to happen, for the nutrients to diffuse to the bacteria.
Okay, so my basic idea was to be able to remotely control the iPad that I was Skyping to from the other end of the Skype call. So in Skype, you not only would be able to see and to hear, you would be able to move around the other end of the Skype call. So the way I did that was I attached my iPad to a robot, and I sent on the laptop end of the Skype call DTMF codes to the other end of the Skype call.